Assalamu alaikum. To start off with, I would like to thanks to Honorable Sir for giving me a chance to say something. I am so privileged and honored to be sharing beautiful moment. I am Rafi Ahmed. My student ID is 201153232. My presentation topic is expert system in artificial intelligence. First of all, I would like to talking about what is meant by expert system. Expert system, a computer program that uses artificial intelligence methods to solve problems with a specialized domain that ordinarily requires human expertise. Now we can see a example. It could also recommend drug based on the patient weights. It is one of the best expert system example. Dental expert system used for chemical analysis to predict molecular structure. Components of an expert system. In general view, an expert system includes the following components: a knowledge base, an inference engine, an explanation facility, a knowledge base acquisition facility, and a user inference. The knowledge base may represent facts about the world. An expert system consists of a collection of integrated and related components, including a knowledge base, an inference engine, and explanation facility. A knowledge base acquisition facility and a user interface. A diagram of a typical expert system is shown. In the figure, the user interacts with the inference, which interacts with the inference engine. The inference engine interacts with the others expert components. These components must work together to provide expertise. The figure also shows the inference engine coordinate the flow of knowledge base to other components to the expert system. Now it's time to know about knowledge base. Store all relevant information, data, rules, and relationship used by the expert system. Where are used knowledge based? We can see knowledge based used rules, fuzzy logic, if then statements. Inference engine seeks informations and relationship from the knowledge base and provides answer, prediction, and suggestion the way a human expert would. Uses backward changing, forward changing. Now I would like to the next slide. Explanation facilities allows a user to understand how the expert system arrived at certain conclusion or results. For example, it allows a doctor to find out the logic or rationale of the diagnosis made by medical expert system. Knowledge acquisition facilities provide convenient and efficient means of capturing and storing all the components of the knowledge base. Acts as an inference between expert the knowledge base. User interface specialized user interface software employed for designing, creating, updating, and using expert system. The main purpose of the user interface is to make the development and use of an expert system easier for users and decision makers. Expert system development. Now we can see the step of expert system development. First step, determining requirements. Second step, identifying experts. Number of three steps, constructing expert system components. Next step, implementing result. And last step is maintaining and review system. Now I would move the next slide. We can see an example. We can see a question. As per the law, it is the crime for an American to sell weapons to hostile nations. Country A An enemy of America has some missiles, and all the missiles were sold to it by Robert, who is an American citizen. Prove that Robert is criminal. Solution. Now we can see the solve. To solve the above problem, first we will convert all the above facts into first order defined clause, and then we will use a forward changing algorithm to reach the goal. Expert system have many application. Now we can see some applications: business, diagnosis, industry, etc. Now I would like to move on the next slide. Now we can now we can know forward and backward changing. What is backward changing? What is backward chaining? Backward chaining is an inference method described colloquially as working backward from the goal. It is used in automate theorem, probers, inference engine, probe assistants, and other artificials. Now it's time to know about forward chaining. Forward chaining is a method of reasoning in artificial intelligence in which inference rules are applied to existing data to extract additional data until an endpoint is achieved. That's all. Thank you.